Page number 6, exercise 1-1. Question number 1. Find A cross B, A cross A and B cross A. First one, A is equal to set 2 minus 2, 3 and B is equal to set 1 minus 4. Second one, A is equal to B is equal to set P, Q. Third one, A is equal to set M, N, B is equal to 5. Here we have to find A cross B, A cross A and B cross A. Solution. First one, first find A cross B. Substitute the value of A. A is given in first question. A is this set 2 minus 2, 3. That can be substituted instead of this A. Then put this cross product. Cross. Then B. What is B? B is given this set 1 comma minus 4. Then find out this cross. Here cross means cross product or Cartesian product. Means a relation from first set to second set. That means here first element is 2, here first element is 1. Take 2 and this 1. We will get a relation 2 comma 1. This is an ordered pair. Then take first one and this second one 2 comma minus 4. Then second one and first one minus 2 1 minus 2 comma 1. Then second one and second one minus 2 comma minus 4. Then third one and first one 3 comma 1. Then third one and second one 3 comma minus 4. This is the set A cross B. This set is nothing but set of these ordered pairs. Then find out A cross A. A cross A is equal to, first substitute the value of A. A is this set cross, then put this cross. Then again write A is equal to the same set 2 minus 2, 3. Then take cross product or Cartesian product. First one, 2 comma 2. First one, second one, 2 comma minus 2. First one, third one, 2 comma 3. Then second one, first one, minus 2 comma 2. Second one, minus 2, minus 2. Second one, third one, minus 2, 3. Then third one, first one, 3 comma 2. Third one, second one, 3 comma minus 2. Then last third one, 3 comma 3. Now we got A cross A. Then find out B cross A. B cross A. First substitute B. Here B is given 1 comma minus 4. Then put this cross. Then substitute the value of A. A is this set 2 minus 2, 3. Then take cross product. First one, 1 comma 2. First one, second one, 1 comma minus 2. First one, third one, 1 comma 3. Then second one, first one, minus 4, 2. Then second one, minus 4, minus 2. Then second, third one, minus 4, 3. Now we got B cross A. Now first question is over. Then second question. A is equal to B is equal to set P, Q. First find A cross B. A cross B is equal to, first substitute the value of A. A is given P, Q. Then put this cross. Then substitute B. B is P, Q. Same. Here A and B are equal. In second question, A and B are equal. Then take cross product. First one, P, P. First one, second one, P, Q. Second one, first one, Q, P. Second one, Q, Q. Then A cross A. A cross A. Substitute A. A is P, Q. Then cross. Then again A, P, Q. Then take cross product. First one, P, P. First one, second one. P, Q. Second one, first one. Q, P. Second one. Q, Q. Then B cross A. B cross A is equal to, B is the same, P, Q, cross A. Cross A is same, P, Q. Take first one, P, P. First one, second one, P, Q. Second one, first one, Q, P. Second one, Q, Q. Now, second problem is over. Then third one. First find A cross B. A cross B is equal to, first substitute the value of A. A is given the set Mn. A is given the set Mn. Then B is 5. 5 means null set. Therefore, we can substitute instead of B, null set. This cross is here, this cross. Then take cross product. First element. But here there is no element. Therefore, we cannot take the relation M, comma, an element. Therefore, here null set will be got. A cross B is null set. Then A cross A. A is M, comma, N. The set M, comma, N. Then put this cross. Then again substitute the value of A. M, N. Then take cross product. First element. M, comma, M. Then first one, second one. M, N. Then second, first one. N, M. Then second. N, N. Then find out B cross A. B is, you know that, null set. Therefore, substitute B is equal to null set. Then put this cross. Then write the value of A. A is this set M, N. Then take cross product. Here there is no element. Therefore, we cannot take this cross product. Therefore, B cross A is equal to a null set.